Okay, so Nighthawk finally showed up. This would be interesting.
There's no telling what these competitors will do in Extreme Rules, but I can guarantee we're about to find out.
I think what we could see here is a classic chess match between these guys. I mean, one that's going to take power, speed, and aggression to win.
And he does it one more time.
Oh, no!
Pain has to be shooting through his face.
While the longer Orton's in control of this match, the more dangerous it becomes.
And there's another one of those great moves from Randy Orton.
We're in the feeling out process here. Who's going to get the advantage and maintain control?
Just unstable, disturbed is Randy Orton. An awesome counter for the most must-see superstar in WWE history. Remember, this is a no disqualification matchup.
And The Miz probably wishes he was anywhere else right now.
Seems like Randy Orton's mind is always plotting. Randy Orton acknowledges that he can be sick and twisted. And indeed, he is just that. Caught the leg. Wow.
Another boot to the midsection. Watch out here.
Not only does that hurt, but the mind games. What it psychologically does to you. It's almost like I'm the dominant species and you can do nothing about it. Dodge that one. Randy Orton thinking through every move. Oh, tremendously painful move to the spine. Randy Orton is set. You don't have to like it, but you have to respect it. Do you believe in those words?
Well, I know Randy Orton believes it. And let's face it, it's hard to argue with success. And Randy Orton is a success. He has the win-loss record to prove it. He has the path of destruction to prove it. What a backdrop!
Miz has proved time and again that he's not only the best brawler and fighter in WWE, but also the most scientifically gifted man in our business.
You've got to be kidding me. You didn't really just say that, did you?
Of course I did, because it's true.
You know, the worst thing about The Miz is he's young in his career. And like it or not, you're not going anywhere, Michael. So now I have to listen to you gush over him for probably the next 10 years. I just can't get over the physicality of this match. This has been brutal. Tell me the truth, Michael Cole. What is it that makes you so fond of The Miz?
It's simple. He's awesome.
Oh, please.
Okay, do we not know how to get back in the ring?
And get hurt badly in this one.
Every move Miz makes is with purpose. He's not flashy in the ring. He's effective. And most importantly, he's a winner. Just a little too slow there.
He's got him up.
Miz displaying viciousness here tonight.
Yeah, there's no doubt about it. Miz has a mean streak a mile wide.
Again, this is a no disqualification match. Anything goes.
Well, I think that's about to be put to the test here.
Now taking a moment to feel those ribs and kick, it appears that there may be some internal damage.
It looks like it. Those ribs have been targeted so many times over the course of this match, I wouldn't be shocked if one or two may be cracked right now.
And he hits the drop kick. What impact.
Look out! He's got a chair!
Good Lord, he's just hell-bent on naming his opponent.
Nobody's going to be the same after this match. Hey! Right down to the chair.
Orton controlling the Orton. The Viper strikes. RKO. One, two, three. And Orton wins.